Hi guys, so we're doing T.19. I'm coming over to my assignment and clicking on it. Checking for the two things that I always check for whenever I pull up IXL. First, that I have the correct skill, T.19, and second is that my name is in that upper right-hand corner. Remember, these are randomly generated problems, so yours might look different than mine. First thing I'm going to do at the top is put in my number line. Takes a little bit longer, but it's so worth it in the end because it makes sure that I don't make any careless mistakes going forward. If I were to do this on a test, it would go in that notes section and that reference section on my notes pages when we fold our paper. All right, so I've got that set up. Now, I'm trying to make each statement, trying to figure out which makes each statement true. So I have 6/10 compared to 0.9. Now the main thing here is I gotta either compare all fractions or all decimals. It's not gonna help me to do it both. So I need to convert these so they're the same, either both fractions or both decimals. Now, this first one, I'm going to convert so they're both fractions. The next one, I'll convert so they're both decimals. Whatever way works best for you is what you should do. So I have this one, it's already a fraction. So I'm just gonna leave it 6/10. And then this one here, 0.9, well, I know that I'm in the first place value after the point, so my denominator is 10. And my numerator is 9. So now I'm comparing 6/10 and 9/10, which is a lot easier to do than trying to compare those two. Then I go ahead, I click on the symbol, and I move on. So then this one, I'm going to do with decimals. So I'm going to be comparing two decimals. The 0.27 compared to 93 hundredths. That looks like 270. I'm going to change the size of that circle so it's a little bit easier to tell that it's not a 0. Okay, so I don't have to change my 0.27 compared to, and then I have hundredths, so that means I have point and then two place values, and I start with my 3 and work towards the left, 3, 9. So I have 0.27 compared to 0.93. I'll do this one decimals too, just because I'm doing whatever comes first. I'll leave the same. But like I said, do whichever one makes the most sense to you. 0.08 compared to 5/10. 0.8 stays the same. And then I'm comparing it to 0.10 only has 1. So that becomes 0.5. 0.8 is greater than 0.5. All right. Ooh, this one's nice because it's got a mixed number in there. So we have 6 wholes and 87 hundredths versus 6 wholes and 83 hundredths. This one, I'm going to convert this one to a mixed number. So I have 6 wholes still. Sorry, my marker's running out. 6 wholes. And then I have 0.87. So I have two place values because the point has two things after it. So I know that my denominator is 100. And I have 87 on top. So I'm comparing 6 and 87 hundredths to 6 and 83 hundredths. Don't worry, I'll get a new marker. So 87 is clearly bigger than 83. Doing 2 more for y'all right now. This one, I'll convert them both to decimals because it's another mixed number one. All right, so I have 9 wholes, so 9 point, and I have 1 place value after, so 9.1 compared to 9.6. So 9.6 is bigger than 9.1. We'll do this one and call it quits. 3 25 hundredths compared to 3.87. So we have 3 wholes on both. And then this one is 0.25 compared to 3.87. So this one's bigger. All right, that's how it works, guys. Have a great day.